In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the Hisense AC Remote, okay? So, when the Hisense AC Remote is actually locked, whenever you press any button, okay, there will be no effect on the AC unit. You can actually see that it has sort of a padlock right here. You see that? Yes, here. So that actually means that it's actually locked. So to unlock it, this is what you're going to do. You're actually going to look at these two buttons, the time on and the time off button. So you're going to press them at the same time for 2-3 seconds. 1 2 3, release. Okay, so in 1 2 seconds, then release, and the padlock is not there anymore. That actually means that the remote is now unlocked. Okay, so if you try to press anything, you notice that there will be a change. Okay, so it's actually unlocked. So if you're recording this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.